What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Highstreet, which has been gaining a decent amount of value over the last couple of days, as you can see, consistently hitting green candles, and in the last 24 hours itself it is up just about 11% and trading at $3.87. So we're going to be looking at what is this next target. Is it going to go past the $5 mark anytime soon? And looking at, is it time to buy it, is it time to sell it, or is it just time to hold on to it? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. Is this a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about a percentage in the last 24 hours, nothing too major. And we do have Highstreet as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, we managed to drop a massive 6%, but overall over the last day it is up 10%. And we can see earlier, about a couple of hours ago, it did pump up 21%, hitting $4.26, but has taken a slight dip since. Over the week, 46%, as you can see, has been quite volatile, up and down, but overall it has been moving towards the positive direction, which is what we want to see. And over the month, a huge 241% over the last 4 weeks, guys. And yes, it did hit about nearly 300%, or it did hit 300%, $4.68 about a week and a half to 2 weeks ago, as you can see here. But since then, it has taken a slight dip in value and slowly starting to pump back up in value. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by just 10% in the last 24 hours, making it $158 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money being traded on Highstreet. But again, it has gone down from about the last 2 weeks, only because it's taken a slight dip in value. So most people are just holding on to it at the moment. They're not buying more, they're not selling it, they're just holding on to it, just like myself. So the trading volume is currently sitting around this dollars here. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we've also got the purple line at the top here, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Highstreet, which is $3.52. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here in green at $3.93, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. They're not looking too steep, they are just about slanting towards a positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I am expecting Highstreet to be heading above the $4 mark. And again, it's not going to be a major pump or a major increase in value or anything like that. It is going to be minimal, so don't expect anything huge. But all that matters is, as long as it starts to move in a positive direction, we should be good to go. And at the moment, it is going that way, hitting about $4.10 to $4.20 is what I'm expecting towards the end of the day today. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking bullish, still looking positive, guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards, meaning more gains in value are expected over the coming days from Highstreet. So over the next 6 to 7 days, let's say towards the end of this week, I'm expecting Highstreet to be heading to around $4.80 to nearly hitting $5 is what my expectations are towards the end of this week. However, that does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up, but the green days are going to overtake the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Highstreet over the coming week or so. So potentially heading to around the $5 mark. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, as you can see, we're not looking as bullish as the previous two charts, even though the blue line is still looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. The orange line is not looking too great, it is slanting towards the negative direction. So essentially we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other, which is meant to mean an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming, let's say, 6 to 8 weeks. However, that's not what I'm expecting. I am expecting an overall increase in value from High Street in early to mid-April 2023, potentially heading to around the $8 to $9 mark by that time is what my expectations are. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is, and any little news can have a major impact, not just on High Street, but the crypto market in general, and anything like that I will of course keep you guys updated on. But at the moment, High Street is bound to hit around $8 to $9 by mid-April is what my expectations are. However, if there are any major changes, I will of course keep you guys updated on this channel. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So far so good for High Street, guys. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long way to hit the green zone, which is $14.79, which High Street should be able to hit by mid-year. And again, it's going to resist, it's going to try and drop back down into the red zone, but in the second half of the year I am expecting High Street to head into the green zone and trade around $20 in Q3 of 2023. Again, yes, it may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment. However, you have to realize that since the start of 2023, guys, it's gone from under the $1 mark to nearly hitting $4, and as you can see, it's gone over nearly four times this value in a space of about a month and a half. So if we manage to give it a good 6, 7, 8 months, it should be able to head to around the $20 mark or even higher than that. But again, it depends on how volatile the crypto market is, with any crashes, pumps and so on. These things have a major impact, not just on the value of High Street, but the whole crypto market. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on High Street, guys. When are you guys expecting this crypto to hit $10? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen a lot of positive and a lot of negative comments around High Street. But again, for me anyway, High Street, I believe into it for the long term. I'm into long term in cryptocurrency anyway, so I do hold High Street, but recently I haven't bought any or I haven't sold any. I'm just holding on to it. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on High Street. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.